Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something very important in English grammar, the sentence and its parts. Are you excited? Let's start our fun journey. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, but sometimes we only see parts of sentences. Look here. Example 1, ended after the class the scheduled time. This is not meaningful yet, but if we arrange it, we get the class ended after the scheduled time. Example 2, the last round injured before all the players were. Arranged, all the players were injured before the last round. Example 3, played it, we started raining when. Correct, we played when it started raining. So arranging sentence parts gives us meaningful sentences. Dice, quick exercise. Now let's solve together. Can you join these parts into correct sentences? Say them with me aloud. Morning, in, the, birds, sing, the. Answer, the birds sing in the morning. Completed, homework, she, quickly, her. Answer, she quickly completed her homework. The park, children, in, playing are. Answer, the children are playing in the park. Sentence parts can be divided into phrases and clauses. Phrases, these are groups of words without a verb. For example, because of his right choice or players in a team. Clauses, these are groups of words that contain a verb and can sometimes stand alone as a sentence. Example, because he made the right choice, or when the players move in a team. So remember, phrases does not contain verb, clauses contain verb. Here are some examples of phrases. The players of the team, 5 tall elephants, very happy, so sweet. And some examples of clauses. The girl was scared since the time she saw the mouse. Now you say after me. Phrase, no verb. Clause has verb. Clauses are of two types, independent and dependent. Independent clause has a verb, gives complete meaning, can stand alone. Example, the girl was scared. Dependent clause also has a verb but cannot stand alone. Example, since the time she saw the mouse. When we join clauses, we create different types of sentences. 1. Simple sentence. Only one independent clause. Example, I learned piano from my music teacher. 2. Compound sentence. 2 independent clauses joined by a conjunction. Example, it is so easy to master, yet many people don't know much about it. 3. Complex sentence. 1 independent plus 1 dependent clause. Example, piano is an instrument which requires a good memory and practice. Dice, let's solve. Identify the clauses and underline the verbs. The sportsman prepared hard. Independent clause. Verb, prepared. Running 5 kilometers takes hours. Independent clause. Verb, takes. Because they are consistent. Dependent clause. Verb, are. Found by the valley. Dependent clause. Verb, found. Good job. Now, let's learn about subject and predicate. 1. Subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. 2. Predicate tells us what the subject does. Example, the girl wore a red dress. Subject, the girl. Predicate, wore a red dress. Dice, let's solve. The audience cheered for the singers. Subject, the audience. Predicate, cheered for the singers. The singers performed with different albums. Subject, the singers. Predicate, performed with different albums. The audience loved the performance. Subject, the audience. Predicate, loved the performance. Sometimes a sentence also has an object, the person or thing affected by the subject's action. Example, the thief robbed the bank. Subject, the thief. Verb, robbed. Object, the bank. Now, let's try rearranging jumbled words into meaningful sentences. Sports items is selling the salesman equals the salesman is selling sports items. Software engineers software create equals software engineers create software. My father houses designs equals my father designs houses. Let's quickly revise. A sentence makes complete sense. Phrases does not contain verb. Clauses contain verb. Independent clauses stand alone, dependent ones cannot. Sentences can be simple, complex or compound. Subject tells who, predicate tells what, and sometimes we also have an object. Great job, kids! Clap car! Today you learned all about sentences and their parts in a fun way. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time with another exciting lesson. Bye kids! Thanks for watching.